I am Andrea French, and this is Brand Development Week 4, Project 3.4.1 presentation. Coral Reef Research Institute, aka CRRI, is the only marine science organization that lives on top of the world's largest coral reef. They help protect and maintain the reef. CRRI ideals are authenticity, vision, value, differentiation, and commitment. They have a clear market and understanding of their position. They specialize in the reefs to enhance the conservation and good management of the coral reefs through education and research. They have strong ties with local universities. Competitor number 1 is Bermuda Institute of Ocean Science, also known as BIOS. BIOS is the only marine science organization that works incredibly hard to share their knowledge with the world so that we can make the best decisions on environmental issues. They also specialize in finding medical benefits for mankind. BIOS ideals are sustainability, vision, value, commitment, meaning, and differentiation. BIOS has managed their company and their assets very well through the rebranding process. They want to transform the fields of oceanography, marine science, and ocean health through research, educational experiences, and the commitment to share knowledge with the world. Competitor number 2 is Blue Ventures. They are a United Kingdom-based marine science organization. Blue Ventures is the only marine science organization that caters specifically to communities. They work closely with coastal communities where the ocean is vital for their survival. Blue Ventures' ideals are value, vision, coherence, meaning, differentiation, and commitment. They value people, effective teams. All members have a voice and influence. Blue Ventures rebuilds fisheries, works with and educates local communities. They help build sustainable aquaculture businesses. They offer volunteer opportunities that you will remember for a lifetime. Competitor number 3 is the Scottish Association for Marine Science, SAMS, otherwise known as SAMS. SAMS is the only marine science organization that has one of the oldest histories in marine science. SAMS ideals are value, flexibility, vision, commitment, differentiation, and meaning. SAMS has the best technology and does excellent research. They value Scotland and the history in which they were born. SAMS is incredibly established. They are one out of 7 of the original marine stations. Their history dates back to at least 1840. SAMS is also the largest and oldest organization within Scotland. The similarities between CRRI and the 3 other competitors are that they all study marine science. Their main goal is to research and educate, and lastly, all the work they do is to help save the ocean. The differences between CRRI and the 3 competitors is that each marine science organization has a different location: Scotland, Bermuda, United Kingdom, and Australia. Each organization's focus is also different: reefs, communities, medical benefits for mankind, and worldwide marine science, including the Arctic. I did a SWOT analysis for CRRI. This is used to determine how best to improve the overall brand Coral Reef Research Institute within all marine science organizations by finding and evaluating areas of strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities. Strengths: strong university ties and located on the world's largest coral reef. Weaknesses: their visual brand identity, no marketing materials, and no connections outside Australia. Opportunities: location, create new visual brand identity, and expand connections outside of Australia. Lastly, threats: funding worldwide is limited. There are competitors that have more history and partnerships than CRRI will probably ever have. Action plan elements. Right now, CRRI is completely undiscovered. I would like to change this. Coral reefs are like mothers of the ocean, and they are far more important than other sections. This needs to be featured. Sustainable competitive advantage. Though CRRI is undiscovered, small, and Australian-based, they have the potential for growth and expansion. The location alone allows for CRRI to have better hand against the competitors. To help establish CRRI in the marine science world and set them apart from the competition, I would first recommend a complete redesign of their visual brand identity. And second, I would like to create a new multimedia campaign. This allows for CRRI to gain more connections and funding options. In addition, they should look for connections outside of Australia. CRRI's target market first is the student group. Age ranges 18 to 30. CRRI needs the students to continue the research and study while in school and postgraduate. The second group would be people willing to contribute with a philanthropic mindset through financial donations. My 3 marketing big ideas for CRRI are focus on the mission, continue to manage the reefs and educate through research, and advertise the opportunities, mission trips, and connections to other universities. Coral Reef Research Institute has been working hard to help maintain and protect coral reefs since 1965 on One Tree Island. Research on One Tree Island has contributed to over 200 research publications and books about the coral reefs. In order for CRRI to be able to grow and make bigger contributions to science, they need to expand their funding and gain connections outside Australia, while continuing to focus on the mission, have their visual brand identity redesigned, and obtain new multimedia package, making sure to get a fully redesigned website. This is absolutely a key item. This will allow CRRI to reach both groups in their target market and allow for better funding options to help reach their mission goal. This has been my project presentation for brand development. Thank you for watching.